Hi, my name is Misha. I come from Zrenjanin, from Serbia, north of Serbia. I drive a motorcycle, drive a BMW 1200 GS. My last big adventure was Morocco, driving to Africa. I attend next year to pass the Scotland and Ireland, and I have real nice impressions about this meeting.
Yeah.
Kontemplacija budi se vene, sve to krije sa sebe.